my birthday. No big deal. Moisturizing. I'm not sure what we're doing today. I think we're going to San Diego. I'm not sure, but today is gonna be kind of a get ready with me. Yeah. There's Martin and a vlog. It's like 6:30 maybe right now in the morning, and I'm getting ready. That's gonna be amazing for my video. The sound of the air. Anyways, I'm getting ready for the day. It's my birthday. I'm 23 and I've never freaked out for a birthday before. I've always been like super excited, but I've like been dreading today. I don't know why. I think it's because I'm getting older and like I actually have to like grow up a little bit. I feel like I don't have any more time. I feel like after 22 is like, I feel like 22 is like the last year you can just like kind of be figuring stuff out, but by 23 you need to like have something figured out, which is scary. Oh.
Spider?
Cute. He got me a shirt and he's scared to show you. Show him, it's cute. Oh my god. Look at the side of it. Come here. What are you doing? Thank you. But I went to Target yesterday and I picked up these lashes from e.l.f. They're like really nice. I'm gonna wear these today. And I also got that BB cream that I used for my sister in that Alexis Ren makeup tutorial because I actually really liked how my makeup turned out. So that's how I'm gonna do it. But I'm gonna do like my eyebrows and it's not gonna be as natural. But I got this to do it. This is the CoverGirl Clean Matte in light medium. Does this work? I'm gonna film it like this because why not? Last night we went and got a cheesecake from Vons because I wanted something sweet, and then I was like, well, my mom always makes me cheesecake for my birthday and I really miss my mom, so we got a chocolate cheesecake and it was so good. We ate it last night. Actually, time out. I know. Wait, let me look in this way. Zoom in for a bit. Hold on, I'm talking to my YouTube. I know a lot of you, whenever I say something about my birthday, you're like, it's my birthday too, March or March 6th, whatever. So for my birthday twins out there, happy birthday. And then for all my other family out there that birthday is in March, happy birthday. Guys, yesterday I went to Wendy's and the girl was like, you can like come up here, I'll take your order. I go up and I start saying my order. I look up and she's just smiling really big at me. And I'm like, ah, because I looked so bad. Like I had like kind of a cute outfit on, but like my face, like I had no makeup on, my hair was crazy. And I was like, oh no. And she was like, I'm sorry, I'm fangirling so hard right now. Could you repeat your order? And I was like, no, like, oh my god, like I look like crap, don't look at me. Just kidding, but like, hi. And so I repeated my order and then she paid for my meal. She's part of the family, which is amazing. And she paid for my Wendy's. And her name's Emily. Thank you so much, Emily. You're the sweetest person in the world. And then I like posted like, thanks Emily on my Instagram, and she like responded to it and I found her. And she had messaged me back in November about wanting to meet me. So like, it just like worked itself out and I got to meet her, which was really cool. I love meeting you guys. But then I get so embarrassed when I do because I'm just like, oh my god, I look so bad. She was super sweet and she didn't need to pay for me. That was so nice of her. But that was like really cool. On my 21st birthday, I was in Mexico on a mission trip. Other than that, I feel like every year for my birthday, I've always, like when I was younger, I would try to like plan little parties and stuff, and not a lot of people would come and it was super depressing. And I'd always like cry on my birthday. So this year, I just kind of let Jesus take the wheel for it. How do you feel about me being an older woman?
All I can say is that you found me in a sandbox.
Found him in a sandbox. These eyelashes from e.l.f. 10 out of 10. I'm wearing the shirt Martin just gave me for my birthday, and I'm just wearing high-waisted shorts with it and some sneakers, and I just gotta straighten my hair and then I'm done. I just finished getting ready. This is the kind of look for the day. I have a question. Is it too extra to wear this birthday girl sash? I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, it's good.
Well, I don't know what you're excited for. It's my birthday.
Oh, what? Just gotta chill out. Oh, one of the beaches.
over there in San Diego. It'll probably be a little bit later too. But first,
Coffee?
we need coffee.
Who are we? Jess and Gabriel coming for their brand. These YouTubers. But first, coffee.
You're gonna be able to tell how awkward
I'm gonna put all that in there, the whole struggle of that situation right now.
Oh my god.
Let's say it and then we'll come back with coffee in our hand. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. But first,
I don't want coffee anymore.
just do it with me real fast, okay? Fuck you. Ready? Look at the camera.
I'm not ready for this.
Look at the camera. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
But first,
say it with me.
I wanna go there where you go. You smile in the shower, you stand out in the crowd, you make the best of every situation.
I'm gonna kill us.
Gonna let the light shine on me.
In 2.9 miles, take exit 22C on the right onto C.
And she was being a brat.
Show them
I
my
couldn't
shirt.
figure out what she wanted to eat.
Let me show you.
So,
Look at my shirt.
look. Oh. I got on that shirt.
I came to KFC because I want some mashed potatoes.
4 years from now, when I'm 25, I'll be able to have my own house.
Yeah.
In a legit area.
Yeah, why not? Just kidding.
Where I could be, like, making music and stuff.
Oh, what?
Hello, you guys, here's me panda right here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kaelyn. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much.
Us.
The jungle at about 4:30 and get back up to the front of the zoo after it makes a complete circle around the zoo at about 5. That's when we close. And you can also ride.
The most important thing is that we made a truce with the baboons so they'll spare our lives when they take over the world.
He thinks monkeys are gonna take over the world. I don't know how we made a truce because they didn't even notice us at all. But
What are you talking about? I said what's up to them.
Oh.
And I said what's up to them for my friend Isaiah so that Isaiah's in
Isaiah's
truce too.
safe too. Well, I guess we're going to Coronado's Shores
Proceed
Beach.
to the route, then turn left.
We just got out
onto
of the
place.
zoo. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I had so much fun. But now we're going to the beach, so. We're at the fucking beach, bitch. Woohoo! Yeah.
Okay, keep it going. 2, 3, 4. That was our ritual before we drink Jose Cuervo.
Today, it is 9:30. It's literally 9:30.
I'm ready,
And I'm ready to go to bed. So we went to the zoo. Then, what did we do? We went to the beach. We went to go get a chimichanga. We watched the sunset in San Diego. And then we drove back home. And now we're home. And now we're about to take shots of Jose Cuervo just to at least get some type of like celebration. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to bed because I don't feel good. Happy birthday to everybody that's a March baby and had a birthday today too. Thank you so much, Martin, for making my day special AF. I love you. Okay. See you guys in my next video. Bye.